Hey guys, what's up? It's Raven and I am finally here for a very requested video. This is going to be a house update video. You guys have been asking me about this for a long time, and if you guys are new to my channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, I am building a house right now and I have done a whole playlist worth of videos. I've done a bunch of videos about the entire process of me becoming a first-time homeowner, building the house. I showed you guys from looking at all the model homes to where we are now. So if you have not seen all of those videos, definitely check the link down below to get caught up and then come back to this video. But yes, for those of you guys who have been following along, you guys have been asking me for an update. You guys want to see what the house is looking like now. So I am finally going to be showing you guys that in this video. So yeah, last time I gave you guys a house update was actually during Vlogmas in December, and I showed you guys a clip at the end of one of those vlogs showing that they had put the wood framing up in my house. So before that, the last time that I saw my house, it was literally just a slab of concrete. They had only laid the foundation, so it was literally just a flat slab of concrete. And then in that video, I was super surprised because they had all the wood framing up, so you could see like the kind of like the layout of the house and where each room was. It didn't have any walls up or drywall or anything. It was just the wooden planks. I don't know what it's called. I don't know all the technical stuff when it comes to construction, but it was just like the wooden framing. And a lot of people were actually confused in that video because if you live in a different state or a different country, sometimes they don't make houses like that. And they were like, your house is just gonna be made out of wooden planks. In my country, it's made out of like solid cement, or in my country, it's made out of blah, 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 blah. But I found out that they build houses differently based on where you live, based on the weather, basically. So like if you are more prone to having hurricanes, they're gonna build your house differently for that. If you're more prone to having tornadoes, they're gonna build your house differently for that, pretty much. So because I live in Central Texas, most houses are made that way with just like the wood framing first. And then after that, they started putting in all of the electrical outlets and the electrical wiring and putting in like, you know, the sockets in the ceiling where all the lights are gonna be, and putting in all the plugs and just everything like that that they have to do before they put the walls up. And I actually had to go back over to the house and do a walkthrough with them after they were done with that, just to make sure that they weren't missing anything. Like, did you forget to put a light socket over here? Did you forget to put a plug over there? Like all of my speaker systems that are gonna be, you know, within the walls and the ceiling in each room. It included like my security camera system. So I was just making sure that they put all the speakers and all the cameras in the right place, and they had all the proper hookups for the TVs, because I have like TV hookups on the walls. That way when I mount the TVs on the wall, you don't have to like hang the cord down and plug it in somewhere else. So I was making sure that they had all the plugs in the right place for all of my custom electrical needs. So I did that, and pretty much everything was in place and it was correct. So that was good. And I thought it was really cool because since there was no walls up at this point, you could actually see where all the wiring from everywhere in the house, like coming from all the different cable plugs, coming from all the different Wi-Fi hotspots, whatever, I don't know, all the like literal wires came down into the one, I don't even know what it's called. I feel so uneducated in this video because I don't know the name of anything, but it came into the one little, what is it called? The box, like the breaker system box kind of thing where you can like control the electrical stuff in your house. It's gonna be in the guest room closet upstairs. And so you could actually see all the wires coming down into that one box. And it was like so many wires like packed together. So I've obviously never built a house before, and I've never seen like the interior workings of a house. So I just find this stuff really cool. So after the wood framing and the electrical, they told me that they were gonna start working on the outside of the house, which is stucco. So I chose stucco for my home rather than stone or bricks. I just like that really flat, clean stucco look. So stucco is kind of like a process where they just put the framing up, or like the, I don't even know what you call it, like the under layer, and then they put basically like a smooth layer of almost like cement or concrete. I mean, it's stucco, but it's like a smooth layer that they put on and then they paint it. I'll give you guys a few little sneak peeks of what the outside of the house looks like, but I don't want to show too much or do a full exterior tour just for privacy reasons, you know. So then once they started working on the outside of the house, like the stucco and everything, they also started working on the inside walls of the house, putting up the drywall, and that is kind of the last step that they're at right now. So I went to go check on it just the other day, and it was really cool to see that because now it like really looks like a house. Like, of course they're not at all finished yet, but it has walls now. Like, it has all the exterior stuff on it, and then when you walk inside, it has all the walls up. It's not just like a bunch of wooden planks anymore. You can actually see like each room. It has the windows now. It has like, well, it has like one door. We don't have the doors up or anything, but it has windows, it has walls, it has a roof on it, you know, like I said, so it really feels like a home, and you're able to walk through and like get a feel of the flow of the home, and it just, you know, it feels a lot more real now. I was really surprised when I pulled up and I saw that the outside is like fully, like almost fully painted and stuff. So it's really starting to like actually look like the finished product a little bit. It gives you a better idea of like what the whole feel and like, I guess like the flow of the house. Because with the walls actually up, like obviously it gives you a true view of what it's gonna look like. Because with just the wood framing, like everything was all open, so it's still kind of confusing. But now that the drywall is up, and you can literally see like the whole layout of the house. There's literally people in here working right now, like doing the drywall and stuff. But like you can see now, this is the master bedroom that I'm standing in. So you can see with all the windows and the walls up, you can get a much better feel for what it's actually gonna look like. And also in the bathroom, you can see the exact size and layout of my shower and where the, you know, shower head and stuff is gonna be, and how there's like a bench right here and everything. Obviously the tub and the closet and everything. So yeah, it's just cool to be able to see it like with that walls up, because it looks totally different from just with the framing. So this is the kitchen. This is where the kitchen island will be. So this is like a hookup for the sink and everything. So you know, it's gonna have that big kitchen island through here, and this is where the countertop and the stove will be right here. And in previous videos, we were trying to explain to y'all how my pantry. In previous videos, we were trying to explain how my pantry is going to be a little bit different from what I showed that they had in the model home. And now you can see, like, this is where my pantry door is going to be, and this is how big my pantry actually is. I don't know if y'all can tell how big this is. It's really, really big. It's like the size of an office in here. So I think I'm gonna make it more like a butler's pantry that actually has like a coffee nook and stuff like that. So this is what I was trying to explain in the other video, but now you guys can actually see like the true size and layout of it. So this is the door to the garage. Like obviously if you're coming into the garage, you come through this door. And over here, this is another thing that we weren't able to show you because it's different from the model home. This is the planning center, which is kind of like an extra office kind of. So it's like a little, I don't know, just like a little extra room that's gonna have like countertops here that you can kind of use as desk space, and there's gonna be cabinets. So I always kind of joke around and say like if I ever get an assistant in the future, this could be my assistant's office. But in the meantime, it's just gonna be kind of like I imagine I'll use it for like a mail room kind of, like I can sort my mail here and have packages and stuff like that. It's also good for like a homework station, like Ziya gets homework and stuff like that, but this is just like an extra room. And then over here is the laundry room, which is also different. But now you can see like the full size of it. It's dark in here obviously, but it's pretty big. And it goes all the way this way as as well too. So this is where the washer and dryer are gonna go. So all going across, like here is gonna be countertops and cabinets. Right here, there's a space to put a refrigerator, and I personally want to put like a drink, like almost like how they have in the gas station, like a drink refrigerator. So the fridge goes right there. There's going to be countertops and cabinets going this way, and then right here on this countertop, there's going to be a sink. So it's like a fully functioning laundry room with the sink, the extra drink fridge, and the washer and dryer, tons of extra cabinets and storage. As of right now, they are just finishing up the drywall process and everything that they have to do to the walls, like putting the texture on it, you know, before you paint it, putting the, you know, crown molding and the baseboards and stuff, I guess. And then after that, they're gonna start working on more of the, you know, interior details of the home. They still obviously have to put all the cabinets and countertops in every single room. They still have to do the flooring and stuff like that, lay the wood flooring and lay the carpet. I think flooring is actually like one of the last things that they do. They have to bring in all of the plumbing fixtures, so like actually bring in the bathtub and bring in the shower stuff and bring in all of the sink faucets and attach those, and just, you know, all the last finishing touches in terms of installing everything and hooking everything up. So we are making good progress. We are kind of almost done, and we are on schedule, which is really good. Nothing has gone wrong yet. Nothing has like pushed us back or anything. So we're still on schedule, and they just updated me and told me that the house should be done within the first week of May. So we're pretty much at the end of February already right now. So we just have March, April, and then in May, we gonna be moving into the new house. So it's actually coming up really soon, which means I need to start furniture shopping. I've been browsing around like a little bit. I've been saving pictures on Instagram of furniture and like decor ideas, but I need to start buying stuff because I don't want to just move in to an empty house. I don't have that much stuff from this current place to fill up that place. So I'm definitely gonna be going furniture shopping in my next, you know, home video, so look forward to that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm super excited. I can't believe this is happening so fast. I still can't believe that I even bought a house. I still can't believe that I'm actually gonna be living in that house. Like, it's mine. I bought it, I built it, I picked out everything. It's gonna be like my dream home. It just doesn't feel real. But yeah, I'm just super excited, and I know you guys have been curious about it, so I just wanted to do this little update video for you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, especially if you're excited for the house and excited to finally soon be able to see the actual finished product. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out when I finally show you the finished product. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.